This is SAT Test 2, non-calculator question number 3. We have a paragraph in context that addresses this linear expression. Typically, College Board will ask you twice per exam about a linear expression or equation to either interpret the slope or the intercept. In particular, n is the number of landscapers, h is the number of hours the job will take using n landscapers. Which of the following is the best interpretation of the number 12 in context? Choice A, the company charges $12 per hour for each landscaper. Since h is the number of hours and n is the number of landscapers, 12 NH does sound like a charge per hour for each landscaper. But let's check the other answers. A minimum of 12 landscapers will work on each job. Since n is the number of landscapers and 12 is not limiting that does not make sense. The price of every job increases by $12 every hour. That would only be true if n was 1. If n is 2, then when h goes up by 1, the price goes up by 12 times 2 would be 24. So it's not always $12 per hour. Each landscaper works 12 hours a day. Since this is the price of the job, the 12 is not the hours per landscaper. H is the number of hours worked by the landscapers on the job, and n is the number of landscapers, so 12 does not relate to number of hours per day for a landscaper. So the only answer that matches the words of the question would be choice A. If you reread the question, the company is charging $12 per hour for each landscaper. So that would be the correct interpretation of 12. The College Board usually asks for the interpretation of the slope, 12, and the intercept, in this case 60, in 2 different questions throughout your SAT. Come back soon for my next math video. With math, there's always more.